As per World Health Survey, one-third disabled workers are never being to primary school. According to UNESCO, too many countries are far from the goal of no person should deny access to good quality education because of a factor of disability. 4 in 5 children with disabilities are in developing countries like in India. As per report developed by UNESCO and the survey done by UN, in India especially, high percentage of kids with disabilities are out of school. So we are working in Sustainable Development Goal, SDG goal, quality education. If I'm talking about current COVID-19 effect, other children have online education access but are visually impaired. Children are greatly hampered. Student teacher engagement is very good in other children, but in visually impaired, a very minimal interaction is there. Parent child learning is very good in other children, but in visually impaired, parents don't know braille language. Access to engagement to education is very good in other children, but there is an alarming situation for visually impaired. So what basically a key problem for all of these factors? One major factor will be decline of braille literacy rate. That is 50% to less than 10% in last 3 decades. The number of schools and tutors, those who know the braille language, is very less in developing countries. Because as you all know that there is a blind school or a disabled school that is far away from their home. But other children have access to a lot of stationary devices, e-learning tools near to their house, and they have n number of school options. Traditional braille technologies are still dependent upon a paper and a sharp stylus base. They are expensive and unaffordable braille devices because if you can check near to your stationary house, you are not able to get a braille slate, a German braille slate and a sharp stylus, but you got a pen and paper for other children. So these are the traditional technologies still which are being used by our blind children are presented in front of you all. So what is the USP? How we want to bring a technological change with the currently available solutions. So USP of our product is we are providing assistive technology educate. We are providing talkback facility with a multilingual support and character and word formation. So these are key USP of our product.
This device uses a Raspberry Pi, Python script for training of our system, a Braille hardware, that whole of the total will generate our product. A blind person are able to read and write on this particular device, and in return a talkback facility is to be provided with the help of a speaker. So this Braille Educate teach 3 subjects: English, Maths, Hindi.
Please press 1 for English, 2 for Hindi, 3 for Math.
So in case of English
pressed A.
they learn character A to Z, and the combination of character produce words. In case of a math, they can learn counting from 0 to 999, tables from 1 to 9,
1, 12, 121.
perform operation like less than, greater, equal to, mathematical operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In case of Hindi, they can also produce character, that is swar, a to anga, and vyanjan, ka, kha, ga, and the combination of swar and vyanjan will produce words. For example, aam.
Jal.
I thank the Chatkara University members and the students, those who have prepared this device for the visually impaired person. It is very helpful for the small kids, those who are at the pre-age level of learning, and it's also very useful for the sense of their fingertips, which it helps blind even to read further in their studies. And also it is very useful for the late blind also too.